So now what are the reasons for the economic problems? Like I said that I will be discussing the characteristics of this economic problem. So the very first reason is the scarcity of the resources. Now the resources like land, labor, capital are very much limited in quantity in relation to their demand. This land, labor and capital are very limited in quantity in relation to their demand, and economy cannot produce all what the people want. So as these resources are scarce in scarce in supply, so whatever the economy or the people is demanding, we are unable to produce. That is why the supply falls short of demand. So this is the scarcity of resources. Next is unlimited human wants. Human wants are unlimited. It comes one after the other. Like just if we take our example, like just we had dinner, suppose we had ice cream in dinner. Again tomorrow we wish to have cold drinks, or again tomorrow we wish to have ice cream. All these things. So our demands are going on increasing day by day. So we have got unlimited human wants. Okay, now however, this human wants differs in the priorities. Means, suppose, like what I said in the example of that case of petrol. Okay. Similarly, human wants also. Like today we had ice cream. Tomorrow we may not want. It is not important for us. Okay. So demand for we want ice cream as well as we want rice. Tomorrow we will postpone the demand for ice cream as rice is a major priority. Okay, it will give us energy. So we have to prioritize our human wants, what we need, because all the wants are not equally important. Some are more important, some are less important. So among this huge amount of wants that we have to prioritize our wants. Okay. Next is the alternative use, that I use the example of petrol. Like one particular resources has got many uses. We have to use the resources in those cases which is more important. Like petrol is used in vehicles, petrol is used in generator, petrol is used in train. So I have to choose, or we have to choose among the all these uses among which is the more important, and we have to use petrol in that use, and we have to postpone the other. So alternative use of the resources. So resources are scarce, thus we can only put it to use which are more important. Okay, is it understood? Now we will go to the next part of the chapter. What is economics? Okay, so before going to the next part of the chapter, let me discuss it again. So what are the economic problems? Scarcity and the problem of choice. Resources are scarce, that is why we cannot produce as much as the goods are demanded in the economy. So that is why supply falls short of demand. Human wants are unlimited. That means wants of consumers, or you can say anybody, is unlimited in numbers. It comes one after the other. So we have to choose among our wants. We have to choose which is the most important want. Okay. Next is the alternative uses of the resources. Resources have got alternative uses, so we have to choose among the uses which is the most important, and we have to use the resources first there and then in the other unimportant uses. So here also comes the problem of choice. So these are the economic problem. Okay.